Well, it's raining. Dogs and cats. Uh-oh. Is it gonna fit, Derek? Oh shit, no.
It'll fit. Just I don't want to get them all fucking dirty.
What are you gonna pound them in, or?
Yeah.
Well, they're not gonna get dirty. Look at the rust, hey? This thing was perfect yesterday. Woo! Oh. Chevrolet. Chevrolet.
Our bike is already built.
You got your glasses on, Mick? Where's your sunglasses?
Oh, God.
Yeah, otherwise you get videoed and they'll know who you are, buddy. We took this window out. You do it from the inside out. One guy on the inside, one guy on the outside, and it falls outwards. And man, that window was, I thought the glass was gonna break, but Derek, the genius, the guy, knows his shit. He said, just hang on to it, it'll be fine, you get your gloves on. And yeah, bang, popped out, and thank God we did, because we've got issues that we need to fix, and we're gonna fix. Yeah. Anyway, things are happening. She's looking pretty. Things are happening. The back window. It is my task at hand to clean this nasty old thing. Yeah. Zap. Hey, buddy. Can you help me? Can you help me? Can you help Daddy? I raided the underneath of Carol's Mama Scoots' sink, and I found this stuff. I tried everything else, all my shit from the garage. I found this stuff called Dawn Ultra Platinum Power Wash, fresh scent, extra super awesome. This stuff is unreal. Look at this, it just breaks down everything. I'm amazed. I've been fighting with this for like half an hour with other stuff, and this is just eating it. Wow. Nice job, Dawn. Dawn? I went to school with a girl named Dawn. I wonder if she invented it. When I'm cleaning windows. Man, you got it out. Dawn Power Wash. That's these guys, man, they fix like ducks and seals and shit, and K20 windows. Woohoo! Good gear, man. That's good gear.
You got to be careful. People are going to think you're sponsored by Dawn.
Oh, was that bad?
Well, they're going to be like, you're getting paid to say
Oh
that.
no, I'm not getting paid nothing.
Yeah, there you go.
Please pay me, Dawn.
You have to put a big Dawn sticker with an oiled duck
A big duck on there.
on the back of your truck.
Yeah. Well, I gotta say though, out of all the stuff I've been trying, this shit is the business. Whatever's in it really bites into whatever's in this, because, man, look at this. It's just nasty. Mick in the house! He's all sweaty because he's got a bike like Carol's. Except it's all armied up. It's all geared up with goodies. And what the hell? You got a headlight on there? Well, that's cool. When'd you put that on?
Amazon for 18 bucks.
18 bucks. Just strapped it on.
Just strapped on with a couple of Velcro straps.
Moscow. Leon Cycle. These things. How many K you got on this bad boy, Mick? Look at that. Wow.
And then if you're in traffic,
Yeah.
you got your
Oh, yeah. You can
Line
pull
it.
everybody over. Go.
blinded by the light.
And then you go, neener, 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 neener. Pull over.
I've got 1,548 kilometers.
In how long?
Since about June 16th.
Wow. Well, cool, Mick.
I don't know if you want to make a video of putting Bondo on.
Yeah, it is what it is, Derek. Sometimes you gotta put Bondo on. We got a Dusty day today. Dusty Springfield gonna be playing next song here coming up. A planet full of love. Oh yeah. Well, you got a dumbbell. What you got a dumbbell for? Hey, drop that dumbbell. Zeppelin, come. Zeppelin, give me the dumbbell and then go get a squirrel. No, come here. No, don't get a squirrel yet. Give me that dumbbell. Hey, no, Zeppelin, drop it. Drop it. Drop it. Zep.
Yeah.
Two things I've learned about POR. Don't get it on you. That's 5 days or something. And if you get any on the lid, you'll have to turn the can inside out to get it open again. Wowzers. I think next time I order one, I'm gonna order a little dinky can and use it up and throw it out. Wowzers. Derek, with a genius idea, I tried to put that can back on, but I think it's effed. Look at that. Ready for use. Ready for use. There we go. We got some POR, paint on rust. You see those dents? I'm gonna freaking hammer those out. Not really worried about the box, but got the cab and all the outside body stuff looking good. Yeah. What's up, Derek? That was brilliant.
All aboard my Holly ride. I set my course to be with God. Special forces armed with guns and knives. In my eyes, I see what's right. Well, I believe and I will fight. Heaven knows what we would do for love. Hey! Have I not seen it all? I've been to hell, smashed down the door. Kick the devil 6 lace holes up his ass. Restitution comes at last.